Most savings goals fail because they are wishes, not plans. In this video, you will create goals in Genesis Budget that actually get funded a little every month. Open plan, then goals. Each goal gets a name, a target amount, and a date. Genesis Budget turns that into a monthly amount and a progress bar that fills as you contribute. Watching the bar move is the motivation. Pair each goal with a savings account under money, then savings. Accounts track your real balances, so the money you set aside is visible, separate, and much harder to accidentally spend. Your goals also show up on the dashboard, right next to your budgets, and they count in your financial health score. Funding goals consistently is one of the fastest ways to raise it. Start with one goal, an emergency fund, and one small monthly amount. Consistency beats intensity. Create your first goal free at genesisbudget.com.